I know. I'm back here again. Hello everyone, my name is Dylan. This is another episode of the Rideshare Hub. Wow, okay, so I have tried to film this video 3 times already. So this is the 4th time. It's not easy to sit in front of a camera and talk, but unfortunately, that is really my only outlet right now, to vent, I guess, to share my thoughts, because not really any of my friends can relate to rideshare, to the whole rideshare industry, to Uber and Lyft, and what it really means to me. I was actually talking to one of my, well, somebody who I guess thought was a friend, and she's like, why are you doing this? What, you know, are you really passionate about this? I just don't see it. I don't know. Okay, guys, I'm sorry. I don't know exactly what this video is going to be about. There's something that did happen that I want to share with you guys because it does affect this channel. Sorry, I just literally got back from the gym. Actually, yeah, I was at the gym, 2nd day in a row going, so I haven't been to the gym in like 3 months because I've just been so busy with schoolwork and normal work, trying to, you know, make money and pay for school and pay for my living. Basically something happened that, so last time I sat down with you guys and talked like this, it was my video about, I just was really overwhelmed with school and personal life, that I just was trying to take a break from YouTube, but for some reason, like, this is what is keeping me going. It was funny enough, because you would think that making videos is really time consuming and hard and stuff, but I think it's gotten to the point where I just made, you know, I'm just so used to it, and I really do like connecting with you guys, because you guys are fueling me. And last time I said I was going to take a break, and what did I do? The next day I made a video, and then the next day I made another video and another video, and I haven't missed a day since. That was like a week ago or 2 weeks ago, and now here I am again. And I don't know what the future might hold. You know, I might stop making videos, I might not, but just so you guys know, if I do stop, you know why, because as you guys know, I am in college. I'm in college right now. I don't know exactly. Sorry if I'm like talking really fast. I just have a lot going on right now. And basically something happened, and I thought that by this week or next week I was going to be free to make videos, make more videos, and focus on rideshare and school and YouTube. But now it's going to be basically another 2 months because of this thing I have to take care of, which I can't say why, because in the first couple times I got into it and it was too much to handle. But basically what I wanted, the reason I wanted to share this with you guys is because I wanted to, you know, I want this channel to be truthful, clear, and people say, oh Dylan, you need to rehearse more, you need to practice your videos more, you know, you stutter too much, your thoughts are all over the place. I think that that's the beauty of this channel, is that I can talk, I can ramble, you know, you guys can listen in, you guys can ramble your thoughts in the comment section. I don't have to, you know, edit, do a bunch of cuts. You know, I hate when I'm doing like 15, 25 different cuts. Like, I like to just record a video and then upload it, because that's the way that I can be truthful. And when I talk with my friends, I'm rambling. I'm not editing what I'm saying. You know, I'm not rehearsing. So to everyone who's saying, oh, you need to rehearse, you need to be more structured. That's not me. Okay? When I talk with my friends, I don't rehearse, I don't structure, I don't edit myself. So I think of you guys as my friends. So I feel like this is my channel. At the end of the day, I can do whatever I want. But I feel like it makes it more real if I can just talk with you guys normally and not have to edit. And I can ramble as much as I want, because the only problem is that, I guess you guys can respond in the comment section. That's how we can have our interaction. So one guy in the last video said maybe YouTube isn't for me. Yeah. Well, I'm already doing it, so I don't know. One guy said, "Oh, stop being a butter biscuit. You and these companies are in America. If we want to do something, we will do it." I don't know what being a butter biscuit means. I was thinking about live streaming I don't know what this video is going to be uploaded. I might upload this in a couple days because of the Uber strike. I was going to live stream the Uber strike, so whether I put this out before or after. Basically, when you're driving for Uber and Lyft, not every day is going to be the greatest day in the world, and you're going to have days where you feel down. I know I have. I've gone out, when I first started driving, I worked my normal job, which was like, 9 to 5, and then afterwards I would drive for Lyft. And trust me, when I was finishing up my job and I'm super tired, I was thinking, oh my gosh, I don't want to drive. And then, I just made myself do it. And then afterwards you feel much better. But yeah, there are days when you just have to hustle, have to hustle and grind, just literally sometimes you're just driving and when you're driving, you think so much. I don't know about you guys, but for me, when I'm driving a passenger and the passenger's like not really saying anything, I'm just thinking like so many thoughts. And I guess I have like not rapid eye movement, because that's when you sleep, but like rapid thoughts movements. So sometimes like it's really important. I'm gonna make another video on this, but it's like, know your why. Always keep your why. Even write it down on a little piece of paper where your passenger can't see it. Maybe on your on your left side. Know your why. For me, when I first started, now I just drive part-time because I'm super busy. But like when I first started driving, I had a goal, which was to make $5,000 as fast as I could, because I had credit cards to pay off. And so, I didn't write it down, which probably would have helped, but I just remembered in my head, okay, I just gotta finish this day. Then I'm like, 2% more there. Gotta finish the next day, okay. 1% more there, whatever. $5,000, what's 1%? Yeah, 50 bucks? No, 500 bucks? Yeah, 50 bucks. So every time I made $50, that was 1% more there. So I just had to keep doing that over and over and over. Sometimes you're not going to have the best day, but like somebody once told me, you don't appreciate the joy unless you experience sadness. Your joy is not as good. So when you don't always want to be like at a 10, super happy. You kind of want to be like, sometimes have bad days, sometimes have good days. Because when you have bad days, that way you can appreciate the good days. It's just like people who are born into wealth, they don't know what it's like to be poor. They don't know what it's like to have nothing, to be working a minimum wage job. You know how bad it is to have to, what are some of the jobs? I've done so many different jobs that I just hated. I worked at Starbucks. I had to wake up at 3:30 a.m. to get there at 4:30. And then work until 1, and then afterwards you're tired and you want to take a nap. Then you take a nap, then you're up all night and you have to do it again the next day. It's like, that was not fun. So like, Uber and Lyft is like, usually it's like a means to an end. So if maybe you do want to drive, as long as it lasts, that's great. But if you're driving because, you want to pay for college, or you're trying to pay for your kid to go to college, or maybe you're trying to pay so you can go to get your 2-year certificate or something. By the way, if you're trying to get a bachelor's degree, if you're driving Uber Pro and you have 3,000 rides, you can get a free tuition. Or if it's actually, this is much easier, if you get a part-time job at Starbucks, work 12 hours a week, they will pay for your online bachelor's degree from ASU. It's called their like school ASU partnership. You work 12 hours a week at Starbucks and you get a free bachelor's degree. So I know a lot of you guys, actually one guy said, oh, 99% of Uber drivers aren't gonna be able to pass the exam to get into ASU. All you have to do to get into ASU online is get your what is it, GED, your high school diploma, and then apply, and then you'll probably get in because it's pretty easy. Yeah. One guy hated on my video, the Ryan is driving video, said I was trying to use his name for views. Sorry, you lost me when you answered a text message while you were recording a video. Someone said that. I didn't answer the text message. A message popped up, and like I said, I don't edit all my videos. A message popped up and I read it, and then I continued with the video. Is that a really huge deal? Look at this person. If that can focus. It's not focusing. Blah, blah, blah. Boring video. Yep, I'm boring, right? Sorry, I'm gonna wrap this video up. I don't know why I even recorded this video, but basically I can't tell you exactly what's going on, but it's gonna be a couple more months until I can finally sit down and have a relief. It'll be a huge relief in a couple months, so around then I will be a lot happier, a lot less stressed. Hopefully we'll have less pimples all over my face. But yeah, guys, thank you so much, by the way. Thank you for the support. You guys really help a lot. I really do. I read every single comment that you guys leave. I really do. I try to respond to most of them. I appreciate it. You know, I couldn't ask for, well, I mean, maybe at some point I will ask for more, but right now, you like the comments, all you guys reaching out to me, personal emails, messages on Facebook and email, Instagram, all Twitter, everything. You guys you're great so far. Everyone who's bought the merch, I just wanted to say thank you. That's really awesome. You guys sending me photos of you guys wearing the merch, super cool. I don't have any because I was at the gym, and we're having another photo shoot with the merch, so can't get those all sweaty. But or else I probably would wear it to the gym. And then all of you guys who sign up using my code, that does help a lot. All the money I get from any referral money from you guys signing up to become drivers, I use it to pay for my tuition. There, I said it. Yeah, I'm trying to get my bachelor's degree so I can, you know, learn, and I don't know. We'll see. So yeah, guys, thank you so much again. You guys are amazing. You guys are great. Check the links in the description for more helpful information. This is the Rideshare Hub, a place trying to make this the best place for Uber and Lyft drivers to connect with each other and learn more information. I have a bunch of videos on how to make more money as a driver. There's like 25 different apps, services. Like you can put cargo. It's an app called Cargo. You put a little box, and most of the snacks are free. So you just have to offer, it's like free samples, so their companies advertise through this thing, and the passengers can take them for free, and you get like $1 per free snack. So you're not even really selling anything. There's another thing called stereo. You play music in your car. This is anywhere in the United States. Play music in your car. They pay you through this app because the record labels pay for the music to be heard in rideshare cars. There's another one called Rapify. You can advertise in your car. Play OCTOPUS. These little tablets in your back seat. There's two other ones. They're called Viewer and Vugo. I think Vugo is mostly just in taxis, but Viewer and Play Octopus, you can put tablets in your backseat for your passengers to play games and stuff. And you make money off the ads that are shown. You can refer your passengers to sign up for Lyft to become a passenger. If you're driving Uber, if you have a big group, you know, get all of them to sign up. There's tons of different ways to make, you know, extra 10 bucks here, extra 20 bucks here, extra 100 bucks a month there. These things do add up. Pays for your wear and tear, pays for your gas, you know, stuff like that. There's an app called GetUpside, pays you to fill up gas, you know. There's a lot of different cool ways to make money. So go check out the other videos. Sorry I have my phone out all the time. It's just a habit. I know I'm addicted to my phone. Sorry, these videos have been a little bit so serious recently, but I feel like I do want to be truthful with you guys. So anyways, I'm going to wrap this video up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like this video, or dislike this video, whatever you guys want. Do one or the other, so I know if you guys like these kind of videos. Leave a comment, and subscribe so you never turn on post notifications. That's super important because I do post quite a bit. So if you turn on post notifications, you'll get all my notifications whenever I do post. So you never miss a video, because I post on updates in the app and stuff, so you know right away when new updates happen, or like different rideshare news, stuff like that. Stuff like that. I always say stuff like that. I need to stop saying what else? It's like, stuff like that, and whatever. Those are my 4 things. So let me know if I say like, stuff like that, or whatever. If I'm saying those things, let me know. If one of you guys can count how many times I say either of those 4 things, or all 4. I just literally said oh gosh. Okay, I have to end this video, guys. You guys are amazing. I will talk to y'all soon. Alright, bye guys.